Wow, what a beautiful spot. We've been camping down below in that valley. We're leaving though all those nice black spruce and other trees and heading up above that snow patch to a place where there are no trees. A little walk ahead, so let's get going. What a spectacular view. Here we are atop the long-range mountains in Grossmoor National Park, Newfoundland. While the beauty here is undeniable, there's a lot more than just spectacular vistas. Today on Wild by Nature, we're going to meet some hardy alpine plants, search for near invisible grouse, and enjoy a hair-raising experience. Join me, Michael Runtz, as we explore the amazing life found in high places. Right down here is a lovely little violet that we don't see much farther south. This is alpine marsh violet, and it's growing here by this little stream, which is formed by a melting ice patch right over here. Well, here we are atop the long-range mountains. Spectacular, isn't it? This level area is called the Big Level. No trees up here apart from the odd small patch